Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Motorola Moto G82 to an Android device. You need to begin by finding and opening Play Store on both smartphones and installing free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, just open it. Now you need to choose I accept, confirm, continue and allow. After that, select Receive on an Android and Send on Motorola. Then you need to tap on all of those dots on your Motorola device and select Send. This way you can choose all of those files and transfer them later on. It will take a long time though, so I will go with only one file. For example, that one. Choose Send and click on Got it. Over here on an Android, scroll down, choose No Thanks and close this window. Now we have the connection ways. We can scan this QR code by selecting scanning icon on an Android, choosing Allow or Only this time in the pop-up and pointing our camera at the code. But we can also just input this key over here and connect those devices by choosing Receive. And as you can see, now my file was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!